Hey, how you doing, everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today we're going to be looking at the Aircat Vibrotherm drive, part number 1178-VXL. It's rated at 1,300 foot-pounds of breakaway torque at 30 to 40% less vibration and less weight. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell if you want notified as each video as it comes out. I've been using, for the past 5 years, the old trusty Harbor Freight Earthquake Impact. It has held up extremely well. I have had a new nose ring put on it. That has helped because after a while they do wear out and you put a new one on, it's like $7 for a pack of 3 or something. I put a new one of those on, and I had this apart one time, cleaned up the barrel, the hammer and everything inside, and then light oiled it and put it back together only once. Couple days a week, I'll oil the gun itself, but other than that, this thing has been extremely reliable. It's okay balance-wise, but it is definitely nose-heavy. And also, my problem with it is this right here. Anytime you get in a tight place and you run a bolt out, it backs up against and you're stuck. At least twice that I can think of since I've owned this gun. And I have one at work exactly the same. I forgot about direction, wasn't paying attention to clearance, and ran the bolt all the way out and pinched it up. So then I had to get a pair of channel locks and crank the bolt back in some to get enough room to switch this to get the gun out of where I was working. So I don't like that the forward reverse switch is on the back. But really, if it came down to the reason I'm replacing it, it's just the sheer weight and vibration. I'm starting to have problems with my elbows and the muscles here in my arms, and it's starting to cause a lot of pain to run something heavy. So I wanted something lighter with less vibration. So that's why I went with the Vibrotherm from Aircat. I did a lot of research, did a lot of looking around on the internet, and this was the best one I could find as far as weight to vibration. All right, so let's get this opened up and take a look at it. It does come with your information about getting your warranty and more of your owner's papers, like advertisements and stuff in here. Not really concerned with any of that at this current point. I will take care of that warranty information later. Comes in just this protective cloth bag. There's what it looks like. Comes with a plastic, almost like a rubber. It's a rubber protector over top of your anvil. But it's definitely more balanced and definitely lighter. You can tell that this is a much heavier than back here. It's not quite as balanced. It'd be nice if this handle was a little bit further forward, but definitely a lot lighter. Now I'm going to weigh the both of them, and so we can see what the weight is. Clear it out. Okay, that's pounds. That one weighs in at 4.554 pounds. 2,066 grams. Or 72.9 ounces. The Harbor Freight weighs 5.976 pounds, 2712 grams, or 95.65 ounces. Obviously, almost every tool, I've never bought an air tool that didn't have some kind of plug in the end here. So we'll get that plug out. Let's see. This gun is supposed to be rated at 84 decibels. It says here, make sure you oil it with air tool oil, and we'll do that before we use it. All right, before we screw the tip on and make it easier to oil it now, just going to put 4 drops of oil in. I'm not a fan of Teflon tape. I prefer the thread sealant like you use in plumbing and stuff. I've used this in all of my air lines and air tools, unless I don't have any for whatever reason. So I just put a small amount towards the end of the threads. Wipe off the excess. You just need it to be down in the threads. You don't need it caked on there. Throw it down in. This does not need to be real tight, just snug so it doesn't work loose. And I'm holding this nut on the gun. Oops. Use a 24 millimeter. It's actually a little smaller than that. Feels more like a 23, but you're not really cranking down on it. You just need to hold it snug. Boy, I'm kind of looking like a buffoon just screwing on a fitting. Like I said, they don't have to be real tight. Just snug it in there. That's all you need for that. Once you have that screwed in, then you're ready to dry her out. Right, first use of the Aircat Vibrotherm. Here's the decibels. Very quiet. Definitely a lot quieter than the guy at work's Snap-on. Piece of cake. Thanks for watching Big Frogs 4x4. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, God bless.